Is your Audi A5 key fob not working? A dead CR2032 battery is the most likely cause. The Audi A5 key fob for 2016-2022 models uses a standard CR2032 battery available online or in stores for about $1 to $3. To start, you'll need a small, non-conductive tool like a plastic pry tool or small screwdriver to avoid damaging the fob's internal components. First, open the key fob casing. Some models twist open counterclockwise, while others have a release button or require gentle prying with your tool. Be careful not to damage the plastic. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery using your non-conductive tool. Make sure to note which side is up. The positive plus side should be facing up. Then insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure no metal contacts touch during insertion. Close the case securely, ensuring it snaps or twists back together correctly. Make sure the halves align properly. Finally, test the fob near your car within 5 feet. If it still doesn't work, a simple repairing with your car's infotainment system might be needed. If the new battery doesn't fix the problem, corrosion on the battery contacts might be the cause. If issues persist, your key fob might need to be repaired with your vehicle. You can usually do this via the car's infotainment system. Consider replacing batteries in pairs if you have multiple fobs to prevent synchronization issues. Remember, always ground yourself before handling the fob's internal circuitry to avoid static damage. If your car has the Audi Connect app, make sure your software is up to date via the app, as software updates can fix key fob pairing issues and potentially prevent you from needing a replacement. If you still can't fix the issue, a trip to the dealership may be needed, but try these fixes first to save time and money.